Hello YouTube, welcome to Wild Flight. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the AKK FX2 video transmitter. So this was bought on Amazon for about $20. And this is a 30 by 30 stackable VTX. There were a lot of good reviews on Amazon, so let's see how well it does. Okay, what comes in the box is the 30 by 30 stackable VTX. Let's see. Some wires. And a MMCX little extender adapter. Alright, some things about this VTX is it has a few power modes. It has 25 milliwatt, 200 milliwatt, 500 milliwatt, 800 milliwatt power modes. I believe it's described as a 40 channel VTX. It has 5 bands, A, B, E, F, R, and 4 power levels, 25, 200, 500, 800, and 8 channels per band. So let's see. 1 button to control. I believe 1 press changes the channels. Holding for a few seconds. Let's see if I can find it. So 2 seconds you'll change the band, 4 seconds you could change the power levels. So this takes in 7 to 24 volt power, and then it also has an option to 5 volts on your camera, so it could filter and give you a clean 5 volts for cleaner video feed. So it's pretty simple to install. You have the cable right here. Going from the left, you got the power in, 7 to 24 volts. Second pin is ground. Third pin is video. Fourth pin is also ground. Fifth pin is 5 volts to the camera, and last pin is smart audio, pretty much, which is kind of cool. For 20 bucks, you get a VTX with smart audio. This also comes with a microphone, little display, LCD display tab. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna set this up and we're gonna test it out, see how it flies. And also, anytime you power on your VTX, always have an antenna in. You could burn it, so always start your drone up with an antenna on.
Hey, close the door when you're done.
Alright, here we are. Let's see. We're on F1 and 1 power level. We click once, we switch through the channels. We hold for 2 seconds. We're into the band mode. A, B, E, F, R. We hold for 4 seconds. That's power level. 1 is 25 milliwatts, 2 is 200 milliwatts, 3 is 500 milliwatts, 4 is 800 milliwatts. Alright, let's get this set up and let's go flying. Here we are at the park and ready to test the VTX. It is a little windy. I don't know if you could probably hear it in the camera, but drone is ready to go. Everything's ready. I'm using these goggles, but I did bring these because these have DVR. Sadly, these don't, and so I want you guys to get some actual footage. So we will be taking videos on this thing. All right, let's just. Okay, that's recording.